Should I say partner in time?
Let's not forget about James Bond.
That is the sound of class. Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra and this is Anna, my partner in crime. Or should I say partner in time?
Good one, Alex. Today we're diving into something we absolutely love, starting your own collection of rare Swiss watches.
Because, let's face it, nothing says you've got your life together like a vintage watch ticking on your wrist.
And what if you don't have your life together?
Well, at least you look like you do.
Swiss watches are legendary in the world of horology. They combine craftsmanship, precision, and a little bit of history, all wrapped in one small package.
And let's be honest, owning a Swiss watch makes you feel like you're part of something bigger, a tradition that's been around for centuries. Did you know that the term Swiss made isn't just a label? It's a guarantee that the movement itself is assembled and inspected in Switzerland.
That's why Swiss watches are considered gold standard. They don't cut corners.
And it's not just about a status. Owning a Swiss watch is like owning a piece of history on your wrist. For example, Omega watches were worn on the moon during the Apollo missions.
And let's not forget about James Bond. His Rolex Submariner made Swiss watches a pop culture icon.
So, if you're just standing out, don't panic. You don't have to sell your car for Patek Philippe. Unless your car is worth that much. In that case, just go for it.
Right. You can start with more affordable but still super classy brands like Longines or Omega. Like this baby right here. Omega from the 40s, super classy and perfect for the beginner collectors.
And let's be real, people are gonna be impressed if you say you're rocking an Omega. Even they have no clue what it is. Just say Swiss made and watch their eyebrows raise.
And another good option for the beginners is a Tissot. Their vintage models have affordable price, clean minimalistic design, and they are perfect for everyday use.
Pro tip: when you're buying a vintage watch, think about your personal style. Do you want something formal for the occasion or maybe something rugged for everyday use?
Exactly. The perfect watch is the one that fits seamlessly in your life. The heart of any good watch is the movement. And Swiss watches are known for their precision. You want to look for a mechanical movement, either automatic or hand wound. It's basically like the difference between driving a manual versus automatic. One is just a weight cooler.
Plus, when you hear this tick tick tick, it's like a tiny orchestra playing just for you. Listen, that is the sound of class.
For the beginners, automatic are a great choice because they wind themselves as you wear them. But if you like this ritual of winding your watch, then go for hand wound movement.
And don't forget about the power reserve. That is how long your watch should run without being wound. A good vintage watch should last 30 to 40 hours on a full wind.
Okay, the condition is huge. You don't want a watch that looks like it survived a zombie apocalypse.
Unless you're into that kind of things.
You know why she's still alive? Because zombies eat brains and she ain't got any.
But seriously, the original parts are super important, especially case, dial and hands. The better the condition, the higher the value.
And a quick tip. Scratches on the glass may be fixable. Scratches on the dial, hard no. Dial damage is like spilling coffee on the white dress. Some things just can't be recovered.
Okay, no real talk. There are a lot of fakes out there, especially with popular models like Rolex Submariner or vintage Omega Seamaster.
You want to avoid getting stuck with the fakes. Like, don't let a $50 knockoff fool you into thinking that you've just scored a $10,000 deal. Real Swiss watches are usually have engraved serial numbers, smooth logos, and precise movements.
Yeah, and if the brand's name is misspelled, run, like fast.
And if you're unsure, just get a second opinion. Online forums or Facebook groups are great choice for advices from the experienced collectors. At the end of the day, collecting a vintage Swiss watches isn't just about the status. It's about owning a piece of history.
Exactly. Like, who wore this longines in 1940s? What stories does it have? It's like a time-traveling machine, but on your wrist.
Yeah, and the best part, that no time machine required.
Just a love for fine craftsmanship and a little bit of patience.
Speaking about the patience, it's time to start your collection.
So, if you're ready to dive into the world of vintage Swiss watches, check out our carefully curated selection at DuMarko.com.
And remember, whether you're a beginner or a collector, the most important thing is to enjoy the process. Happy collecting!
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and comment on your favorite Swiss brand. See you next time!